Trying to add a role to your workflow may feel like opening 10 tabs and still not knowing where to start. Prompts are here, zaps are there, which app even owns what? The overwhelm can be endless. But that changes today with Stepper, Paperform's new AI native automation tool. Hi, I'm Sara, a Paperform certified expert, and I'm here to share with you all of the incredible features that Stepper has. Stepper is an AI native workflow builder, which means regardless of skill level, you can build the automations needed to propel your work, like handling repetitive tasks, sending email, and even keeping data up to date. If some of those tasks need to be triggered from multiple places, Stepper is actually the only workflow automation tool on the market that can handle that. And I know, building automations feel like hell. You're always having to repiece workflows together, and you're wasting precious productivity time to do so. But Stepper's component feature accelerates your workflow creation. Components are reusable triggers, conditions, and actions, and trust me, will transform even the least technical person on your team into a power user. Because they can build robust, flexible workflows that empower and propel their work every single day. There's limitless performance and potential with Stepper. All you have to do is describe in plain language what you need and let Stepper assemble and ship it in seconds. Just a side note, you can also build workflows manually without the guidance of Stepper AI. I'm a little tight on time, so let's build our first Stepper workflow to send a welcome email using an AI conversation. So after every Paperform submission, I want to send a welcome email. We're going to select Continue with AI, and this starts a new conversation in the workflow builder. Before Stepper takes any action, it's going to explain to us the steps that need to happen. For this workflow, it's pretty easy. There's only 2 steps that need to happen. It all looks good, so we'll go ahead and agree and let the AI get to work. As the AI built, it guides you to take action. In this instance, it's connecting Paperform to pull the exact form that we need for the trigger. And the best part is if you already have a Paperform account under the same email, you don't even need to log in. And now that my form is selected, it's time for step 2, the welcome email. As you can see, we need to submit the context. After reading this, I think I may want to edit the email. So let's pop into the step directly and take a second look at the template to make it more personal. Before we hit publish, just a friendly reminder to always test your workflows for accuracy. Once that's complete, smash that publish button. In under 5 minutes, we were able to build a simple single trigger workflow for a crucial task to keep new leads in our sales funnel. And actually, this email was pretty good. So before we move on, let's save it as a component to be reused in the future. We'll navigate to the Components panel inside Stepper. Click Create Component and either begin building manually by clicking Component, or we can use Stepper AI to build it for us. So let's have it create a welcome email template that we can share anytime we have someone enter our ecosystem. Next, we'll add an output so this component becomes reusable. The last thing to do is finalize the welcome email itself. Now, the welcome email inputs can be left blank. This information will get added from the workflow itself. So for instance, if you have a Paperform submission, we'll use the submission's email to send the welcome email to. Next, we'll click on the action and review the information. We need to connect our email account and then set up the parameters, aka edit the template. Click publish and we're good to go. If you want to learn more about components, check out this video and others in our playlist below. What makes Stepper powerful isn't simply the fact that it's AI native. It's that Stepper is an automation tool that scales with your workflows and is the only platform that allows for multi-step triggers. And with components, gets you 80% of the way in seconds. Traditional tools make you click through wizards, fight field mapping, and copy and paste logic into separate flows. So whether you're a solo, a small, or a large and mighty team, Stepper gives you speed and structure without fragility. Today I've shared the basics of building a workflow in Stepper, and it's only the beginning. Ready to get started? Stepper is waiting to help you build and ship your first workflow today. Hey, ready to become a Stepper power user? Check out this playlist here and join our Discord community for support, workshops, and more.